Hello everyone, this is Zach from TradeVSA. So today this short video, probably just want to go through Inari by looking into daily chart and weekly chart. Okay, and if we look into weekly chart, okay, let's see whether we can look for any clues for sound strength. Okay, is there any chance for them to make a big movements? Okay, now a few things that we want to look into. If let's say for example for those that who are using smart Ruby, okay, probably you want to continue right to use the green Pentagon in daily chart, or if for members, if you got access to the TradeVisor plugin trading views here, of course you want to use a combination with the weekly charts too. So if you are looking for something to mid to long term, I think best is that you use the weekly. Okay, so of course combination with the trend line also is very important, right? So okay, a few things that you want to use it more effectively on green Pentagon. So do remember that green Pentagon is also a sound strength, right? So each time when they will test near to this green Pentagon, it's very important for them to stay above, okay, to ensure the support is still valid, the sound strength is still valid, okay? Like for example, in this case over here, it will test 2 times, okay, several times actually over here, few days, but after that it break below. Okay, so once it break below, it will go into a shakeout, okay, in this area. So followed by another green pentagon. If you realize these two green pentagons, it actually the price most of the time is try to stable and trade it above this area. So here's another one again, green pentagon testing and now heading to resistance. Okay, so whenever there is green pentagon, you want to ensure that the price most of the time is trading above it, it's not below it, okay, to ensure there's a good support immediately coming into the chart. So the next thing is I want to look into weekly. So like I said, if you're looking for something that going to long term or to mid term, you want to check using your weekly charts, okay? So again, example, this is a good example here. Weekly green pentagon, drop below. You know, this trade most of the time going to be failed because they're going to go through a bearish trend or a shakeout, okay, or a wash, okay? So here's another one, pretty good. Scale several weeks is stay above before it make big movements, okay? So another one too, okay, just I think like 2 months ago, okay, we got a green pentagon in weekly charts. Price is staying above, okay, trend line also pointing up, right? So this is representing that the trend overall is still good. Green pentagon is turning back and the price is actually trading above, okay? Now the example that I can show you probably is GradTech. Okay, let's go into GradTech daily chart. Okay, now turning to red, okay, probably is doing a pullback daily chart, but this is the one, okay? Here, it dropped below, make a wash. Green pentagon stay above. Green pentagon staying above. Okay, and if you look into weekly, okay, the weekly chart actually here is pretty good. Turns to green until now, still in the red green zone. So probably, it might take some weeks, okay, for them to make a sideways before they're going to continue to change on the resistance again. Right. So this is just a quick one. On Inari, I think there's other counters like, for example, UWC. It turns to green pentagon to in daily, right? So weekly, actually, they are trying to going back to the areas. So sometimes this might happen also. This is sometimes what we call a shakeout or watch, right? So this is the green pentagon on 2nd August, the week itself. It dropped below for several weeks. Now seems like they are trying to pushing back. Okay, overall the background still in bullish zone. Okay, but we want to see more sound strength coming back to the area. So seems like this week they are going back already. Of course, today is just Monday. Okay, so we're gonna to monitor for a few more days to ensure that the support in this green pentagon is very solid. Right. So this is just a quick review on Inari. Okay, hopefully we'll see more sound strengths coming in soon for them to break above resistance. Okay, so let's say there's any changes in terms of the trend, I will definitely give an update soon.